So on the left side, you see we have directional chart, gives you the direction you want to trade for the day and the times roughly. So you will have this chart. We're using 66-minute chart. On the right side is the entry, exit, and stop loss and entry of the time. So on 410, which direction do you want to trade 410? So that is dictated by these three lines, wave lines, your blue and purple lines, the three lines. This plotter, which is plotting this, it started from this low. We will probably change it as well to this high. So this is basically taking the market vibration numbers and converting into waves. So on the left side, you see there's a tow truck. Click on that, and you got a hotspot right here. I put it there to the low, and you want to put it to the high. You move it there. Left click and keep it clicked. This is not giving you direction. It is just giving you the energy turning points. So let's start on this day. Now this day, you see this yellow line is basically your weighted moving average. And then there's AMA and WMA. Now on this day, we want to trade in the direction where the lines are. That's the only thing we are using this for. And the trade times can be also converted using we can also pick the direction using this wave forecasting model, as you can see. There are more of them, but we just want to use one for now and see how it goes. So let's pick one day, which is 410, as I said, 410. Let's go where we can. 410. On 410, this blue line is below the yellow line and has been for last 2 days. And this was a reset. Okay, blue line is below, everything is below. This guy touches the yellow line. We are looking for a short because the blue is the way to go. So blue is below. The yellow we will just take shorts only. Short, short, short. This day only 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 we went. So we'll be taking shorts from April 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's do that. April 8 is here. We are looking only for shorts. You can see when I'm moving my cursor, it will move on the left side also, right here. Okay, and this is where we use this guy to see the energy change. So energy is gonna, this is energy point where we'll see some big change coming in. You can see blue and red, they're both below it. Blue is also below it, the yellow line, so we're gonna take shots only. So this is confirmed right here at this bar, which is see here, right here. On this up bar, the sideways action bars, this is Rahu and Ketu lines. As you can see, this is the short. Stop loss is here. We're looking at 40 points. These are 40. The big green yellow lines are 40 points. You enter here, exit here, stop loss is here. If you lose the first trade, you have to recover that. So as we get to multi-contract strategy, we will take out 80% out and 20% will break it to break even plus few ticks, so we can try to go for a big run. Not right now. Okay, so that was this day. No longs, shorts only, right? Shorts only. And then again, this is energy point again, right here. So this was energy point. We took a short, energy point again. Market also did retest of 30 line. Price came down, retested the 30 line for the first time. Bank's law. This is short again at the energy point. So we'll take a short again. If you are taking a short, we take a short again. First touch of 30. This is a short again. Same point, unfortunately. And we take it again short. So we are trying to see where the energy is gonna blast, and we're gonna use those blaster points to trade. So that was the energy point, and okay, the next is middle of the night, so we're gonna not trade that. Next day market comes and opens again. Again, trend is still down. This is the first touch, which already happened here. First touch is what you want to take. First touch already happened here. The second touch. So now direction is still down because of the where the blue is. Go with the blue. This was the energy. It happened middle of the night. We're not going to use that. So this one is not showing us anything. But this one, as you can see, was energy point. We want to see where the blast will come. So this is where the market will blast. But again, we are trying to qualify the direction also. So anyway, so next day market comes. You have the same. Now remember one thing. We have to look at the oscillator on the left side. There are 4 purple lines, right? Overbought, oversold conditions. So when we're taking a shot, we want to make sure that oscillator, when the decision was made, is on the other side. So decision was made, we're going to take a shot. Oscillator was here, market was here, and we wanted to go short here, which we did, right? So okay, that's one thing you want to look at. Now this one line, if it was on the top right here, then it will be much easier, but it was in the middle, so what we cannot do anything about it. The trend, this is why we need this trend confirmer. So trend is still down. It came up again, that's fine. We want to go short. Let this guy close above this Rahu line, which it did. We had our bought oversold condition right here. Short again, 40 points. So same level, and then again in the future. Now this is again happened what time? 7:30. So you have to be up early, 2 hours before the market. You will get this wave. You're done. You close the for the day. It will cross these lines rest of your life. All right. So we're done for that day. So 2 days are short. We've taken that. Okay. Now we come to the 410. 410, same logic. We want to trade close to the lines. This is the close to the line. Trend energy is changing. See this one? Energy is changing. This energy was changing here too. It went up, but we're not going long. We're not going long until if we lose, then yes, we have to adjust something. But right now, no. So we want market to come to close this yellow line and trade. This is energy blaster again. Energy is coming. Market went up. Expectation is down. Trend is down. Okay. So on 410 we will be taking short as well. There we go. This is what I was saying. Market closed above this, which is good for us because we are very close to the line and we have oscillator. We take a short here and exit. Every day we are making 40 points. That's what we're looking for, so we can scale up. We should win 9 days out of 10. The gimmicks doesn't work. 411. 411, it is still, the blue line is still, go where the blue is, it's still below yellow. We have to go short again. Until this point is still short again. Okay, so if you are up and running, we got At this point, you're up and running at 6:37. Let's see, right here. Okay, right here. Oscillator is telling you to go short. Right here. And you got this 40 points. All right. Irrespective of where the bars were, we took short only. Okay, so this day is over too. Before the market opens, you can do your business and be done. Just 1 hour, especially. There we go. It's slow, but it went 40 minutes. It came in. Market opened. Now, as I said, if you wanted to go against, let's say you didn't come that day, then now you want to go against the trend. These are the points you want to go long, and trend change will happen at this point. So there we go. At this point, oscillator is overbought, oversold on the right side. It is oversold. This is, it has to close below this. It did, went down. You can go here and here. So you need enough energy movement in the market. This is not giving the direction, it is giving you energy blast. Energy blast is coming again here. Now this lines here, both of them moved above the yellow line. Now we're gonna go long on this day. We came in the market around whatever 9:30. It should come early. So at this time business was already done 5:30. But again we came here around 8:48, 9. So if you came late right here, we have to wait for this trade, this one. If you came late, 1 o'clock afternoon trade. So right here 9:30. So again, oscillator rules, you need to know those. So this is a jam. See this one, average line is jamming. There are four purple lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is jamming on the top. First time it goes to 60, jam 44 is long. This is simple oscillator rule itself. Go long here, get out here. Happened in the middle of the afternoon. So that day was afternoon trade because this all happened early morning. So now short was not taken because we are only taking long bias this day, long only. So we can't take random trades. This methodology has to be there. This is what it takes to win every day. All right, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. This week was all winning week, no losing trade. So let's do this week, one more week. And it starts from 4-4. So 4-4. 4-4, 4-4. Okay, so the blue line went up. This is where the market is gonna blast energy. See this one, energy blast changes, energy blast changes direction, energy blast goes down. So we can play those later on as high risk trades, but okay. Anyway, so 4-4 and 4-3. So 4. So we have to start from 4-1 to 4-5. Okay, so 4-1 to 4-5. Okay, this one is pretty straightforward. You can see 328, 29, 41, 42 is all uptrend, all longs only. So let's try it. 328. Hmm? Let's go to 328. Okay, so 328. We got this guy moved up, blue line followed up, blew up as well. So around after 12, we should start taking some long trade. Okay. Now early morning, since blue was down until what's wrong? Okay, so we are down, we're down, we're down, we're down, we're down, we're down. We're still down until 9 o'clock. We're still down, right? So, so if you're still down, depending on when you're coming to trade, even though it is price went up, doesn't matter because it's gonna pull it down. We just want the one blast. And now we see at this point we have overbought. Market went up here to here, 40 trades, you're done. But again, this is early morning. This is New York time, 5 o'clock. Okay. So at this time, this one bar will confirm it 9 o'clock that we went long. And you can see on the top, this oscillator is telling us energy is going to change at this point. Somewhere around here. So this was like getting energy changed, boom. So at this point, we have two things going on. We have three things going on. Okay, energy is going to move very fast. So we want push in the market to do it for us. Now this red line already crossed above this guy. This one crossed over here. So this is where we want to go long. It also is first touch. Market went above. This is first touch also. This is again touch, but that's fine. We'll add some other techniques later. So if we expand it, this guy went bullish. This guy followed through at this bar. Right? Okay. This energy is coming, so we have okay. We want to trade. There's the direction. If you pick it correct, it will blast off very fast, and that's what we need. And this is where we got it confirmed, and this is where we enter. This is where we exit. If you did not take the first one. Now trend is obviously very strong. We can just see it. But we're done for the day. All right. So this day 128 is 1. Let's go to the next one, 29. This is pretty obvious. We want to just take longs only. 29 you can see is very clear. Market will let price come close to this line, yellow line, goes up, let it come down, goes up above line, let it come down close to yellow lines. Yellow lines. Yellow lines. So this day, that's why you got to be ready. There we go. That's your 40 points. If you come a little late, which will be this one, around 11 o'clock. Okay, so at 11 o'clock, same thing. Trend is up only. So this is again same thing. Market try to crossover, jam 40, jam 40. This is jam 40. See this one? One line here, two line here, three line. Jam 44 is long. You want to go long only. So we are gone long here. Boom. Within 15 minutes, we are done. So that day is good. So we have done 7 days of trading so far. And so far we're looking decent. Okay, so this day same thing. 4-1. Still trend is up. And you can see here this market on this day for 329, you can just see market changes direction a little bit here because of this vibrations going on. But we're going to take long only, bias on this higher time frame. So 4-1 is here, market opens here, boom, there was a weekend, boom, whatever. Energy is coming, and we want to go long only. We want our oscillator to go down. If it is jamming like this, jam 44. See this? Cyan lines 90, 66, 44, 10. Jam 64. This is 6 o'clock, but we come at 10. Same thing. Trend is long only. Let the oscillator tell you. Market goes down like this. Boom, boom. You're done. Okay, so later on we will discuss other options, but right now that's what it is. There are a lot of trades here. That's what we want to. We always want to take the energy blast 40, boom, boom. We want to be 90% accurate in trading. Otherwise, scaling is an impossible thing. Okay, 4-2. Still want to take long only. Okay, this is the time. It's gonna blast. Energy is gonna blast. This is the time. Second time energy is gonna blast. One is at 8 p.m. We don't want to trade this. This is the one at 12 o'clock. So this is already forecasted forward, right? So noon time. And yeah, obviously this one went down. Blue is still up. So we can. This is where one is up, one is down, and market is blasting energy. We still want to bias towards the blue line. So we can say, okay, we look for long only. Now, if you wanted to take a short, which we are not, there's no evidence here to take short. It looks great, but there's no evidence. And you are at 8 o'clock, not there. This is fine. So now, this one looks interesting because we are an energy blast zone and market is overbought, oversold condition. I want market to go down. At this time, go down, close it, and then it will take me in. So this is the one which closed it below this. Closed it, boom. No tail like this. Tail like this is going to be dangerous because anyway, we don't know that. So that's why we will take this short immediately long here. Boom, because it went, but it was supposed to start by Rahu Ketu. So everything is start by, see this is going from Rahu Ketu only. Nothing is there besides Rahu Ketu. Right here, long exit. If you can catch it around 11 o'clock, that's the way it is. Now, if you wanted to catch this shorter, situation, there was no trade. Actually, based on this bias, there was no trade. Okay. Okay, now we have, now if you did not take this trade, other option is this one. Now we have overbought. We have now first touch of this cyan color. This is 9, this is 33 cross, first touch 9, boom, right here. So that is first touch 9 crossover downwards. And this would be a next one winning trade. Now we have energy blaster coming in here. Energy blaster came in here, right? So blue is on the top. So I said where the blue is, go where the blue is. If you want to take this first touch, this is fine. Remember that 33 and 9, and this is the direction trader. So this 9 goes below 30. First time touch, you can take short. That's what you can do. Again, later on, if you are losing. But here is again another blaster came, which is coming a little late, which is fine, but it still worked out. The direction was blue, and it worked out. Doesn't happen middle of the night like that, but if it does, you're lucky to have it. Only you will take this trade if you lose, or if you lost. If you won the first trade, you walk away from the day. Okay, this is 4-3. 4-3 is also choppy, but again we want to go in the direction of the blue line right here, which is still above top of the yellow. So we're looking for energy blaster, which came here. This one we already used it, right? So now what we do, we're looking for long opportunity only, and 4-3. You can shut down the AC. Heater is still on running. So right here is the long. After that, we want to take, this is energy, not long, this is energy change. Okay, so what we need to do is go to our oscillator. Trend is still up. We want to go long only. For that, we want it to come down. Okay, it came down here. Oscillator is on the other side. Perfect. And then we have red crossed over this 9 period, and we close to 9 period, 23 period. So we want to take trades close to this guy, this dude right here. This was short, this was long, right? Okay, so this oscillator, if we have taken short, but why will you take short? We will not take short because why? Because blue is telling you to take longs only, keep longs only. That's why we are forcing longs only. All right, so there we go. Only first touch you can do. Other way around if you need to. But anyway, we're looking for longs only. We're biasing our direction and we're looking for good trades in the long direction. It came down very fast, brought this oscillator down to 70, 80, which is fine. And then it closed where? It closed below it. Now this one single bar went again. Again, this one came boom, boom, whatever that. So we want it to close below the line, and then we go for it. Now, if you have gone this one, then this will be a loss followed by a win. Oh no, it will not be a loss. Let's see. So if you're going long here, yeah. So if you're going long here, it did not touch the bottom. This is a stop loss. It went here, almost closed it, did not. Next bar they closed it. So this is also a winning day. So we can see if we do it right. Again, we still have long. We still have long because of the blue is still above that. So we'll still take longs. So we want oscillator to go down close to this lower purple line, which it did. And we want to go long again if we lost this. Okay, so that will be again at 5 o'clock close. We will not take it. So in this day, officially, this was one trade. All right. So, okay, next 4-4. 4-4. Now 4-4, all the lines are constrained here. We don't know which direction it will go. So you can see, if you just take these trades, you can see the market is vibrating to these numbers. You know, it will vibrate from here, it will vibrate from here, vibrate from here. You can, learn all that later. But we want to take the trades in the direction of the trend we are trying to build up. So okay. So right now, let's see where we are. Now this is chop. Hmm. So this was a market turn. See, market is turning here. This is fine, but we're gonna take only daytime as 10 o'clock. So this is what we're expecting. Hey, market is gonna go very high or low, some direction. Everything is flat here. Now, if everything is flat here, we have only one option, which is to go with some oscillator on the right side. Everything is converging, or we wait until things become clear. So things became clear here. We have to wait for the pullback. right? This one blasted. So this one doesn't give you direction which will gonna go. This one doesn't give you direction where it's gonna go. It will blast. Don't know which direction, right? So let's say this is gonna blast. This is opening up here. It's closing up here. Blah blah blah. You can take this blast. Now, only thing is we have to worry about is the direction. So here, the blue line is still above the yellow. You saw that, right? Blue is still above the yellow, so I will be still biasing longs only. This was already made. All right, so this one went down. This is fine. The blue was up. Blue was up. Blue was up here. Confirmed. So you have to be very watchful of this. Blue was confirmed right here. It will confirm to be closing up only. Boom. There we go. All right. If not, this is your pullback. Oscillator going down. Jam 44. From the top, it should come down to 44. From the bottom, it will come up to 60. So there we go. So that is another trade. Okay, now we have next day. Next day is long only because it's very much confirmed. 4-5 is long only. This is probably Friday, but still we have to trade every day and look for long. Now this one came at 8 o'clock. We were gonna go up right here, 8 o'clock, and this one worked out. Even though the day was very lazy, but still worked out. Boom, boom. All right, so this is where we are. Thank you.